Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn more about how to use the clipping feature of Vidiq and its benefits. So when you log in into the Vidiq, so I have a membership of Vidiq Pro. Basis this, it unlocks a lot of features which I have already shared in my previous videos. Also, do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Yeah. So for the clipping feature, once you log into vidIQ, this is my vidIQ Pro subscription. That's why so many features are appearing. So click this clipping feature over here. Now you can see it will ask for a prompt and what kind of clip do you want to create. Now there are multiple things you can give as a prompt. Over here, the clipping is selected. You can click on the video, and now there are two things which you can do. You can directly select any video from your channel which are linked to the vidIQ profile. So these are my channel videos from I am Saave. Or you can insert another YouTube video which is not yours, or you can upload a video file. So either of the three options you can do. So for demo purpose, I have just selecting one video. Okay, I will select a podcast clip so that yeah, I am selecting this video. I can add a prompt, or so you can give the options on how you want the captions to appear or not, which is the way in which you want it to appear. And I'll just click on get clips. Now what it will do is that I haven't given any prompt. It will read the video by itself and prepare multiple clips which you can upload as shorts for your channel. And in another way, you can use the shorts then to promote your main video, thereby making everyone redirect to watching your main video and increasing traction on your channel. Okay, so now it's showing the clips are ready. We'll just click on this. So now you can see they have created multiple clips from the same video and given a rating as well, which is basis the title, the thumbnail, which are they're creating. And you can directly download this or publish to YouTube Shorts if the channel is linked. You can edit the clip by clicking the selective clip and just play with it, right? So you can see over here you can further trim it or anything you want to do, and you can then export the video. So this is really easy. So if you have shot one video, all you have to do is select the video, give a prompt if you require like a specific podcast clip you want to do, or any clips you want to be created out of your video, and you can just directly publish or export it. I hope this is useful. If you are interested in purchasing the vidIQ Pro subscription, check the link in the video description. You can unlock all these features: creating thumbnails, finding SEO keywords for your videos, do complete analysis, do clipping, create thumbnails, have a script writer for you, the short generator, and you can do all this using the vidIQ Pro subscription. If you have found this useful, do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.